Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back. I've got a little story to share with you today. So as you know, Weezy's here with us in Japan, but we decided to leave our cat Arnie back in the Methow Valley because of his health. We miss him so much. To fill that cat-shaped hole, I volunteered with a local group that rescues feral cats here in Japan. They asked if we could foster a kitten, so we agreed. But when we picked him up, something felt off. This kitten was actually a 3-year-old female cat, not a tiny kitten at all, and she had foul breath and missing fur. At first, she was terrified. She yowled all night, and the next day was filled with cleaning up cat messes everywhere. I tried calming her, but nothing worked. We took her to the vet, and that's when we found out she wasn't just a kitten, but a mama cat with babies. I was so overwhelmed, I couldn't help but cry. After a few more days of yowling, messes, and exhaustion, I realized I just couldn't keep her. I called the rescue, and they found her a new foster family. I couldn't get her out of the house fast enough. Now we're back to having just Weezy, and while things are quieter, I can't say I don't miss that wild, chaotic energy. It's been a bit of a roller coaster, but we're happy with our little family now. Thanks for listening, everyone. I hope you're cozy and feeling relaxed. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next one.